Did you know that one small seedling could help save an entire community from floods? In the Philippines, where heavy rains and typhoons trigger flash floods, seedlings are more than just future trees. They're lifesavers. Their roots act like sponges, soaking up thousands of liters of water. But the most powerful flood-fighting tree in the Philippines isn't what you'd expect: mangroves. Their tangled roots form natural walls, redirecting surging water away from homes. Without these barriers, floods sweep through. With them, water is controlled. Every seedling is a shield. Subscribe and plant hope for a flood-free future.